I'm going to be showing you guys how to hide any file or folder. So first, we're going to want to open up Terminal. Then look up chflags, space, hidden, do another space, and then drag chflags, hidden, space, and then in the file. There we go. We have now hidden this all together. So how to locate it? If we go onto desktop, we will see that it's not actually on here, the 2 files that I just hid. So how do we find it? Just do cd desktop. There we go. Now we are on desktop. Then you just do ls and then click OK. And there we go. We have now found all of the files. So it was this one right here, and it was the about me file. So that is exactly how you do it. If you want to unhide them, so then you just want to do the no hidden option. So you want to do chflags, no hidden, and then you just paste in what we just did. So let's bring this open a little bit and paste in the file. There we go. We have unhidden this. So chflags, no hidden, and then we're going to paste this one right here. So that's exactly how you hide files. And this is a great way to hide it from people that are not really tech savvy and you just want to hide files from. If this helped you, subscribe.